So you want to learn about investing in something called crypto. Crypto is like virtual money that you can use to buy and sell. First step, you need to find a place where you can buy crypto. This place is called the crypto exchange. Second step, you'll need to create an account on the crypto exchange. Third step, you'll need to add money to your account. Fourth step, you can then use that money to buy crypto. Fifth step, you can keep track of the value of your crypto, and when the value goes up, you can sell it and make a profit. Alright, let me give you some more tips for building your crypto portfolio. Step 6. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your money in one type of crypto. Spread it out among different types to decrease the risk. Step 7. Keep an eye on the news and do your research. The crypto market can be affected by various factors, so it's important to stay informed. Step 8. Be patient. The crypto market can be volatile, so don't get too excited when the value goes up or too discouraged when it goes down. Step 9. Have fun and enjoy the process. Investing in crypto can be exciting and rewarding, but remember, it's not a sure thing. Always invest what you can afford to lose. And remember, you're a smart and savvy investor. Always be cautious and do your due diligence before investing in anything. Happy building your crypto portfolio.